Making a steady income from a small flock of chickens might sound like a dream, but for many backyard farmers and small scale entrepreneurs, it's an achievable reality. In this guide, I'll share exactly how I make $1,000 a month with just 20 chickens using smart strategies, practical tips, and a little creativity. Whether you're a beginner or looking to scale up your poultry profits, these actionable steps will help you turn your chickens into a valuable source of income. Let's start with the basics. Why chickens? Chickens are one of the most versatile and manageable farm animals. They require relatively little space, their feed is affordable, and they offer multiple revenue streams, from eggs and meat to manure and even feathers. Not to mention, they're a great way to promote sustainable agriculture and provide fresh, healthy food for your community. First, let's break down the main ways I generate income from my flock of 20 chickens. The primary source is, of course, eggs. A healthy hen lays roughly 5 to 6 eggs per week, which means my flock of 20 can produce around 100 to 120 eggs each week. Over a month, that's about 400 to 480 eggs. Selling farm fresh eggs is not only profitable, but also in high demand, especially as more people seek out organic and locally sourced food. But selling eggs isn't just about production, it's about marketing. To get the best price, I focus on quality and branding. I use attractive, reusable packaging and highlight that my eggs are free-range, non-GMO, and ethically produced. I take clear, appealing photos and use local online platforms, farmers markets, and community groups to find customers. By building relationships with buyers and providing consistent quality, I'm able to charge a premium price and often double what supermarket eggs cost. Beyond eggs, another revenue stream comes from selling chicks and pullets. Many people want to start their own backyard flocks, but lack the time or equipment to hatch eggs themselves. By incubating some of my flock's eggs and raising the chicks for a few weeks, I can sell them as healthy, vaccinated pullets at a much higher price. This not only brings in extra income, but also helps promote sustainable agriculture in my community. Next, I make use of chicken manure, an often overlooked asset. Chicken manure is incredibly rich in nutrients and makes an excellent organic fertilizer for gardens and farms. I compost the manure with bedding, package it neatly, and sell it to local gardeners and small-scale farmers. By explaining the benefits, such as improved soil health and higher yields, I've found a steady market willing to pay for this natural fertilizer. Occasionally, I also sell fully grown hens and cockerels, either for meat or to other hobbyists. While this isn't a regular source of income, it does provide a helpful boost, especially when I need to refresh my flock or make room for new chicks. Now, let's talk about expenses and how to maximize your profits. Success with a small chicken business is all about keeping costs low and efficiency high. I start by sourcing affordable, high-quality feed in bulk and supplementing it with kitchen scraps, garden waste, and forage. Allowing chickens to free range, even part-time, reduces feed bills and leads to healthier, happier birds. I also invest in sturdy, well-designed coops and runs to minimize losses from predators and disease. Regular cleaning, fresh bedding, and good ventilation are essential for keeping my flock healthy and productive. Vaccinations and basic veterinary care are a must, but overall, chickens are resilient and low maintenance if you stay proactive. Smart scheduling is another key to success. By planning for peak laying periods, usually spring and summer, I ensure that my flock is most productive when demand is highest. In winter, when egg production naturally drops, I focus on selling manure and planning for the next batch of chicks or pullets. Let's do a quick income breakdown based on my experience. If I sell a dozen eggs at $5, that's roughly $160 per month from eggs alone, assuming 32 dozen eggs. Selling a few batches of chicks or pullets can easily add $200 to $300 per month, depending on the season. Sales of manure and occasional adult birds add another $100 to $150. And when I offer farm tours or small workshops, sharing my knowledge with others, I can earn an extra $100 to $200 a month. Combined, these streams consistently bring my monthly income from 20 chickens to around $1,000, sometimes even more. The key is diversification, never relying on a single source of revenue, but instead making the most of every opportunity your flock provides. But making money with chickens isn't just about sales. It's about building a brand and a loyal customer base. I use social media to share daily updates, egg collection videos, and tips about poultry care. This not only educates my audience, but also keeps my products top of mind. I encourage happy customers to leave reviews and refer friends, creating a network of repeat buyers. I also collaborate with other local farmers and small businesses. For example, I might bundle eggs with fresh vegetables or homemade bread for a special weekend offer. These partnerships help me reach new customers and provide greater value. Another crucial aspect is staying informed and continually improving. I attend local agricultural workshops, join online forums, and keep up with the latest trends in sustainable farming. This helps me adapt to changes, from new regulations to shifting consumer preferences. For anyone considering starting their own profitable poultry project, my advice is simple. Start small, focus on quality, and be prepared to learn along the way. Chickens require daily care and attention, but the rewards, both financial and personal, are well worth the effort. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It took time to build my customer base, refine my processes, and establish a trusted brand. But by staying patient, persistent, and passionate, you can achieve real sustainable income from even a modest backyard flock. If you're inspired to start your own journey, do your research, connect with other small farmers, and don't be afraid to experiment. Every community is different, and what works for me might need tweaking for your area. But with dedication and a smart approach, you too can turn a small flock of chickens into a thriving, profitable business. Thank you for joining me on this journey into smart, sustainable poultry farming. Whether you're looking to supplement your income, feed your family, or build a full-time business, remember, with just 20 chickens and the right strategy, $1,000 a month is well within your reach. Stay curious, stay committed, and happy farming.